Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I'm Creeper241. I'm doing a short tutorial here on GarageBand, okay? GarageBand. Here is my problem. It's May 10th. I recorded a song for my mom in Spanish, so I'm not gonna play anything here. But the point of this is, every time I render the project, the sound quality, it was alright. I'm not gonna say no because I do my own mix and stuff. The render sound, it was so low. Okay, here's an example. I want to play this for you.
Mami, en este día tan especial quiero hacerle este homenaje porque se lo merece. Se merece esto y mucho más.
Alright, that is the sound. Okay, the sound is very low, it's not high. So this is how to fix that shit. We go over here, we do the render on GarageBand. You know how to do this shit. If you got this problem, you know how to do this. Send some to iTunes, whatever, share, boom, compress everything. If you want to know the settings of how to render, how to mix your track, how to edit the sound of your voice, how to do all that stuff, I'm learning how to use GarageBand, but the little that I know, I can teach you. I can make video tutorials free. I have a whole bunch of free time. I used to play Modern Warfare 3. I still do, but you know what? The game is turning a piece of shit, so I'm not playing that much anymore. Here is the song.
Mami, en este día tan especial.
Hold on, let me turn up my volume here. Well, no, because it's gonna come up on the microphone. So I'll keep it right here. Here is what I render. Oh no, this is what I render. Here, play.
Especial. Quiero hacerle este homenaje porque se lo merece.
Sound is too low. All right, what we're gonna do? Highlight. We're gonna go into File, Get Info. Alright, obviously it's gonna come up over here. You're gonna go into Options. Here is the trick. You turn that all the way up. Don't mess with none of this stuff here, because you already, if you bring the stuff over here, you already have all these settings. So you don't mess with this here, because you will mess up your track. Okay, so here it is. You already have it 100%. There we go. Hit OK. Now play the track. Now let me go over here. Hold on. Let me go into File again, so it starts somewhere where the track is when I'm singing and shit. Hold on. Start time. Say 1 minute. I'll change the setting later. Stop time over here. Alright. Let's go. So I should play somewhere else.
Mucho más. Gracias por solo.
Alright, let me go over here. Let me play one of these tracks.
Listen to this track, bitch.
So now let me go back in there and play the track so it refreshes.
Gracias por tanto amor.
That is the track in there.
Te bendigo, mamá.
The sound, it's higher than before. Alright guys, well that was the trick on how to fix your sound level at the end of your render. It has nothing to do with GarageBand. GarageBand is a great software to use, but I was having this issue and I thought I'd share with you guys. Peace out, Creeper241, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to like, rate, and comment. Don't be a dick or a bitch. Whatever it is. Later. Oh, wait. Let me stop this shit.